I'm Dr. Navarra. Thank you for joining me now for me to update you on some changes that have taken place and some plans in the works. So last year, after maintaining a private practice for 40 years, I decided to close the practice, sort of a thing I've been thinking about for a while, to reach a broader number of couples and therapists through media. So in the process, right now, I am revamping my website to include more emphasis on blogs and videos on relationship tips, such as my new weekly series I just started this week on relationship tips for couples, as well as providing courses and workshops for professionals and for couples. I look forward to this coming year and would greatly appreciate hearing from you any hopes or wishes for the kind of content that you think would be valuable. Thank you.